Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind the beauty products you love and some you might just need to know about. Today, we're getting up close with Oribe's Hair Alchemy Resilient Shampoo. This is a liquid shampoo specially formulated for fragile hair, promising to boost strength while delivering that signature floral scent Oribe is known for. Oribe's Hair Alchemy Resilient Shampoo comes in an 8.5-ounce bottle designed to support hair that's delicate or prone to breakage. It's crafted with a blend of ingredients that aim to reinforce the hair fiber, helping it resist damage from everyday styling and environmental stressors. While Oribe keeps the exact formula under wraps, we know their products usually combine advanced proteins, botanicals, and gentle cleansing agents to pamper hair without stripping moisture. In my experience, introducing this shampoo into my routine felt luxurious from the start. The floral fragrance is noticeable but not overpowering. It lingers just enough to feel fresh and sophisticated. When applied, it creates a creamy lather that rinses clean without leaving any residue. My hair felt immediately softer, which is impressive given it's formulated for fragile strands. I tested it through several washes, including days with heat styling, and noticed less breakage and better manageability overall. Of course, it's not perfect for everyone. Some might find the price point steep for an 8.5-ounce bottle, especially if you have thick or very long hair. Also, while the shampoo strengthens fragile hair, it doesn't replace deep conditioning treatments or masks if your hair is severely damaged. The texture is smooth and easy to work with, making it a joy to use daily or a few times a week. Packaging is elegant, typical of Oribe's high-end aesthetic, with a sturdy bottle that dispenses just the right amount. Performance-wise, it holds its own in the luxury shampoo category, delivering both care and an indulgent sensory experience. When it comes to value, this shampoo fits neatly into the premium price range. If you're serious about protecting fragile hair and willing to invest in quality, it's a solid pick. But if you're budget conscious, brands like Olaplex or Briogeo offer similarly effective strengthening shampoos at a more accessible price point, though without quite the same luxe vibe or scent profile. Comparing it to other high-end options, Oribe leans heavily into the sensory and formulation balance, lightweight yet fortifying, and with that signature floral aroma that's hard to forget. If scent and brand prestige matter to you alongside performance, this shampoo delivers. Otherwise, more clinical formulas might offer comparable results at less cost. The build quality of the bottle is excellent. The pump mechanism works smoothly, and the design feels like it belongs on a chic vanity. In terms of longevity, given the concentrated formula, a little goes a long way, so it should last a reasonable amount of time despite the smaller size. Although I haven't had direct contact with Oribe's customer service, the brand is well regarded for professional support and stands behind their products with a solid reputation in the industry. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it up, Oribe's Hair Alchemy Resilience Shampoo is a beautifully crafted option for anyone dealing with fragile hair who wants both efficacy and a luxurious shower experience. It shines most for those who value scent and brand heritage alongside hair strengthening. If your hair is in the delicate category and you want a premium daily shampoo that doesn't sacrifice feel or fragrance, this one's worth a try. If you've tried Oribe's shampoo or something similar, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.